if we think about the rise of software and technology, the culture of Silicon Valley and the mythology around it becomes something that everybody wants a part of. Cryptocurrency is another one that has a mythology. You see people getting rich. It has this feeling of being outsiders, but you see AI is another one. You see it online, people experimenting. You can see what's going on. You can see everybody is starting to talk about it. Doesn't mean you can just buy some share that's exposed to it and you'll be hilariously rich. Doesn't work that way. But you know something really big when you're trying to acquire knowledge. People watch you and I to try and glean knowledge, build their worldview. You'll hear that every single person is talking about this and trying to figure out what it means. The issue is AI will build businesses, right? So we're 6 months away of agentic AI, and agentic AI means it's like having Fiverr, a website of experts that you can ask any question and it will go away and do the task. And by using a number of Fiverr experts, you can build an online business. Well, the agentic AI will do that very, very soon.
It'll design the website, code it, register the domain name,
figure out the branding, figure out the marketing, figure out the email list, figure out what
suppliers,
the whole thing. So then you and I are in competition now. You've built this incredible new website and it's a new supplements formula thing, but it's a cool website, new experience, kind of 3D, whatever it is, right?
Thank you.
It's got AI in it. I just go to my AI and say, love Stephen's website. Can you just build it better and make it in Hindi as well? Because I think there's a big market there. What do you think? It'll come back and say, not Hindi. I think there's an undersaturated market in Indonesia. Boom. 3 minutes. What? How can we be entrepreneurs in software? So now there's this theory going around that AI is going to eat software. And I kind of get it because it can build anything in seconds. So, and again, whether it could do it 6 months or 12 months, it's of that magnitude that what the hell does that mean? But yet, the 23-year-old who's learned guiding in the jungles of Latin America and is building a luxury lodge for people and, some eco-tourism, I don't give a shit about any of this.
It's so interesting, this idea that we might be at the collapse of the digital opportunity. In a sense, because when I say the digital opportunity, I'm talking about content creators, I'm talking about entrepreneurs that built, after the .com era, I'm talking about stock traders, people that trading stock markets. And if we're at the collapse of the digital opportunity and that the value's all going to accrue to these big sort of tech giants or the AIs, imagine if this is the moment in history where actually the best play was to go build the backpacking company in, I don't know, the Himalayas or whatever. Maybe that's the opportunity.
But it's not scalable. Yes, you can do it and find people will spend more on it. To go back to our earlier conversations, people spend a lot of money on it. So it's quality attention, because everything in the world is attention. Attention is upstream of everything. So you get the attention of these people in a rainforest. They want to spend money on doing this particular thing. Fantastic. How scalable is it? Difficult, because then there's people management. It's not like software, right? So they're not scalable, but you can do very well and not be concerned about this other world.
How does one invest in AI? Something that I think about a lot, because I believe the things you say. I believe many of your predictions around the impact that AI is going to have on the world, the economy, and all of us. And as someone that's an investor, I want to take part in that. I want to take part in the upside. So I'm wondering, do I just go buy Microsoft stock because they own a bit of ChatGPT? Do I buy Meta stock because they own a bit of because they own Lambda? Do I buy Google stock because they have Gemini and their models?
So here's the problem in the financial system. The average person watching this has no chance of making the money. They'll make normal returns, not supernormal returns. So Microsoft is whatever it is, $2-3 trillion company. What could it be worth? Who knows? 10 trillion, 15 trillion, doesn't really matter, right? That's a 5x. But for the most revolutionary technology the world has ever seen, you make 5 times your money? That's not, but somebody else in VC or earlier, in some way, shape or form, or the entrepreneur will make all of the money. And this is the thing I don't like about the system as it is. It's kind of rigged against the ordinary person. So we're going to have your jobs replaced, you're going to have this societal change, and yet they don't get a chance. So yes, invest in technology. Don't own any other stocks. Own technology. And you will capture some of this. You're investing in your own demise. At least you'll get some high quality returns.